Be honest. How many times today did you pick up your phone just to check one thing and suddenly you woke up 3 hours later in a completely different part of the internet? Yeah, same. Screens are powerful. And somehow they always win. It's not because you're weak. It's because your brain is wired to chase tiny rewards, and your phone delivers them faster than anything else. Here's the real problem. Every time you scroll, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine, but the more you chase those fast hits, the harder it becomes to focus, enjoy real life, or even finish simple tasks without getting distracted. It's like your brain's attention span is being traded for likes, notifications, and just one more video. But don't worry, you're not broken. Your brain just needs a reset. So let's make this simple. Step 1, create friction. Your phone shouldn't be easier to open than your refrigerator. Move distracting apps off your home screen. Turn off non-essential notifications. Put your phone in another room for 10 minutes. That's it. Not forever. Just 10 minutes. Make distractions inconvenient. Step 2, replace the habit with a tiny, better one. Your brain hates empty space. If you tell it stop scrolling, it'll say, okay, but then what? So give it a micro task, one push-up, one glass of water, one page of a book. Tiny actions break the loop. Step 3, use the 30-second rule. If you feel the urge to pick up your phone, wait 30 seconds, not to torture yourself, just to separate the impulse from the action. Once your brain realizes it doesn't control you anymore, the urge gets weaker. And here's the surprising part. You don't need to quit your phone. You just need to be the one driving it instead of letting it drive you. Screens aren't the enemy. Losing control is. So here's your challenge. Right after this video, put your phone face down, walk away for 1 minute, and do literally anything else 1 minute. If you can do that, you've already started rewiring your brain. And if this helped you even a little, hit the like button so I know to make more content like this. Drop a comment telling me your biggest distraction. It might even end up in the next video. Now go take that 1 minute. Your brain will thank you.